Hi, I'm Andrew with Infinity Cutting Tools. We're excited to introduce our new Hurricane 7¼ inch circular saw blade. The Hurricane blades come in two different versions, a 24 tooth and 40 tooth. The 24 tooth blade is great for ripping and heavy demolition work. The 40 tooth blade is a great general purpose blade and can be used for anything from construction to cabinetry. They're both carbide tipped, and unlike a traditional 7¼ inch blade, they use a non-braze technology to attach the carbide tip to the steel body, making an extremely strong joint between the two pieces of metal. What this means for you is when you're cutting things like 2x4s, you're cutting up pallets or shipping containers, or you're re-roofing your house, if you happen to hit a nail, you're most likely not going to lose the teeth off of your blade, and you're going to be able to keep using that blade for an exceptional amount of time. We're going to do a test today where we test just how durable the teeth are on the Hurricane blade. I've got a piece of 2x4 here, and we're going to drive a variety of different fasteners in it and see just how well this blade holds up when we cut through all those different types of fasteners. I have some 18 gauge brad nails and some 16 gauge finish nails for my pneumatic nailers, as well as some 3-penny nails, some 16-penny nails, and even some 2½ inch drywall screws. We're going to drive all these into this piece of 2x4, and then we're going to cut through them all and see what happens. And we'll go ahead and pull that blade out right now. And check the teeth. It's warm. Let's check, let's see what we got. All the teeth are still in that blade, and the blade's still sharp. Remember, we cut the drywall screws first and worked our way to the smaller fasteners, so that blade did just fine at cutting through all those fasteners with no issues. If you're looking for a high quality 7¼ inch saw blade that's going to hold up to whatever you throw at it, whether you're remodeling a house, building new construction, or using your circular saw in your shop, sizing sheet goods and rough lumber for your next furniture project, be sure to check out the Infinity Hurricane circular saw blade. For more great information on the tools we use and the projects we make here in the Infinity Tool Shop, be sure to check out infinitytools.com. Also, hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notifications every time we release a new video. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on the latest that's happening here at Infinity Cutting Tools.